Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi vinegar without rice vinegar. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a mild vinegar, sugar, and salt. This method is perfect when you're out of rice vinegar or prefer an alternative. We'll combine these simple components to achieve that essential sushi rice flavor, ensuring your homemade rolls are still incredibly tasty and authentic. For your base, use 1/2 cup of a mild vinegar, such as apple cider or white wine vinegar. Next, measure out 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This provides the necessary sweetness. Then, add 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt. These proportions create a balanced flavor profile, mimicking traditional sushi vinegar. You can adjust these slightly to suit your personal taste preferences. To prepare, simply combine your chosen vinegar, sugar, and salt in a small saucepan. Place it over low heat, stirring continuously until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. It's crucial not to boil the mixture, just warm it enough for everything to integrate. Once clear, remove the pan from the heat and let the mixture cool completely before using. Once cooled, your homemade sushi vinegar is ready to use. Gently fold about 2 to 3 tablespoons into 2 cups of freshly cooked, warm sushi rice. Mix until evenly distributed, then let the rice cool slightly before shaping. Store any unused vinegar in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. And hey, for more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.